Assalamu alaikum. This is Life Care Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. As you know that it is necessary to check the oxygen level in the body and the heart rate, which is the pulse rate. We also call it as the lub-dub, right? So this is the apparatus which is very convenient to measure these two level in the body. This is electronic device, digital device that shows when you adjust it in any finger of your body, you can see that it will show the level of oxygen and the pulse rate. Here it is showing 99% oxygen and the pulse rate is about 89, 88 or 87, right?